Had enough of PUBG Mobile and ready to say goodbye to your account? Well, stick around because I've got the lowdown on how to kick that PUBG Mobile account off your iPhone. Let's jump right into it without delay. First things first, fire up PUBG Mobile on your iPhone. Then, tap on the upward arrow icon located at the lower right corner of the screen. Next up, hit the Settings option. After that, give a gentle tap on Delete Account and voila, a prompt will pop up on your screen. Now it's time for the decisive moment. Simply tap on the Delete Account button once the countdown wraps up. Next, your account will be lined up for deletion. Within 7 days, consider it gone. But hey, if you have a change of heart, just tap the back button and your account will be safe and sound. And there you have it, folks. That's the ticket to bidding adieu to your PUBG Mobile account on your iPhone. If this video did the trick for you, do us a favor and hit that like button. And if you're hungry for more PUBG Mobile tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, as always, and catch you in the next one.